Hi, Cody Tudor here with Future Electronics. We're talking about the three motors in motor control: stepper motors, brushed DC motors, and brushless DC motors. When choosing the motor for your solution, you often need to look at what are the pros and cons of each one. Stepper motors provide extremely high resolution and very small movements. Brushed DC motors are selected when cost and simple functionality are the main drivers for your design. Brushless DC motors, the newest type of motors, are the most power dense. They provide the highest torque measurement and can oftentimes spin the fastest. They are also the hardest to control. Between stepper, brushed, and brushless DC motors, there are several motor control options out there, from discrete solutions all the way up through complete monolithic solutions. So when designing your motor, make sure you select a motor that best fits your application, be it precision movement, high torque, speed, or just simplicity. For more information, click the link in the description below.